Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a blessed day. I just wanted to get on here very quickly because I'm super excited and I know I can share it with you guys because you guys will be excited just as I am. I get very excited when I see unboxings and stuff like that, but I am particularly more excited because this is my first Mundo de Uñas purchase and I love the stamps that it came with. Like, look at the little tortuga. Turtle. And it has one more here, so technically it has like 4. And then it has, this one is called jarrón de cobre, and then it has a different one back here, and this one is called muñeca de plata bella, I think. Yeah, Peya. Peya? Peya, not Bella. Okay. So it has lots of stamps. It's finally here. I waited, I want to say, I purchased in April something. So yeah, over a month to receive this. And yes, my information is blacked out. So let's open this. It looks really like, I don't know. I like the way this came packaged. I'm weird, I know. Just gives it like that cute. Oh, I didn't want to destroy the stamps, but okay, so let's, yeah. Well, okay, I don't have to. Yay. Let's see if I can. Trying to stay within frame. It is very well packaged. I'm super excited. I can't even remember the stamping plates I purchased. Let's see here. Trying to find where it's going to be the easiest to open. And remember, not with you, but against you to open a package. So what I just did was very dangerous and very wrong. Okay. I'm just super excited. Oh, how cute. It comes bubble wrapped. Oh, it feels very, very, very heavy. And there's a little card. Okay, and there's a code for me to use for 10% off. Thank you. So, Mundo de Uñas is a Mexican brand. And I've never heard of it, but I've seen a lot of people on YouTube, Instagram, all social media talking about this. So I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon and give it a shot myself. So, you can see me. This right here is Dumbo. I'm used to having the blue film, but this does not come with the blue film. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Nightmare Before Christmas. Sailor Moon, which I was really excited. So pretty. I have, this one is called Rostros, which means faces in English. And this is Star Nails, and it has like Minions, Angry Birds, what are they called? Let's see, Mario, Yoshi, some cats, and Hello Kitty, and the Flintstones, the Simpsons. Wow, it has a lot of characters. The images are a little bit smaller, but this one has it a little bit bigger, which is Winnie the Pooh. And this one is Princess. Oh, this would have been perfect for Bernadette's recital. Oh, the little ballerina. So pretty. Of course, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Okay, so yes, I have no children, but I do own the movie. I absolutely love it. Frozen. And what I like about it is that it has like different types of drawings, so that's pretty neat. Dr. Seuss with The Grinch and Cat in the Hat. Beauty and the Beast. Yay! I didn't think I purchased this one, but I guess I did. I'm super happy. Star Wars. I mean, who is excited for Star Wars? This would have been perfect for the previous movies. And of course, Alice in Wonderland. Lion King. This is going to be perfect for the live action when it comes out. Toy Story. It's going to be coming out pretty soon too, so I'm super excited. I can't wait to use this. Another Toy Story. So this is 1 and this is 2. Pretty neat. Of course, Avengers, Marvel. I wish I would have had this before, but I did do like an inspiration nail art. So, Princess 3, and then it has a XL, which means extra small. So for smaller finger nail beds, that's why I got this one. And this one here is a bigger image, pretty much the same thing as this one. And this is bigger images and this is a smaller image, so yep, pretty much the same thing. There is a hack where you can make the bigger images into smaller images, but I figured why struggle when it's already made for you. Another Avengers, Marvel. It has Wonder Woman and Batman. And let's see here. Oh yeah, there you go. I was like, wait, DC and Marvel together. This is another one. These images are really awesome. There's a lot of negative space and fillers. I'm hoping they will transfer beautifully. Again, I've never tried these, so we'll see. Another, this is DC. Star Wars. I love Star Wars. And this adorable Snoopy. Okay, I've lost count. I don't know how many I purchased. You don't get an invoice, so I'm just going to make sure and log on back onto the account and make sure I received every single stamping plate, but I think I did. And this one is Moana and Lilo and Stitch. And I just realized something. So I'm pretty bummed out because right there it says, if it can focus, it says Lilo and Stitch, but it has been cropped. Oh well. Moana is there perfectly fine. Let's see there. There we go. Mario. And unicorns, because who cannot have unicorns in their collection, or enough unicorns in their collection? So this pretty much wraps it up. I did notice that it comes in a very cute pouch. I'm hoping it will fit in one of the sleeves. So here's the whole thing, and again, like I said, it comes in a cute pouch. I've seen other videos where I'm assuming they're doing by themes, or if they run out or different. So if this all goes well, oh, that's so pretty. It's in the color purple, my favorite color. You know what, let's open one and see if there's any film on this. Let's see here. And it's no. Okay, so no film. So this is the way they come. I hope you enjoyed this video. Soon to follow, maybe stamping the images and see how good they come out. So I'm super excited. Well, you guys have a blessed day, a good night. Bye.